The most traditional staircase type that are mostly provided in residential building are half landing staircase. This type of staircase is very convenient for climbing upstairs as it contains a midway landing area that can be used for resting and turning purposes. The general width of staircase for residential building is kept as 3 feet. A 2 feet gap will be provided between the staircase slabs till the top of the building so that the light illuminates the entire staircase and the hot air of the entire house can rise up and exit out to the atmosphere. Ventilation plays an important role in planning a house. Keep these small things in mind while working on practical projects. The final staircase will lead to the first floor and the staircase will repeat itself for the rest of the floors. Now the staircase type and arrangement is decided. Let's choose the staircase length as 16 feet. You will come to know why we chose 16 feet length in a while. Make a 16 feet length line. Pan a little bit to the side. The general height of a residential building is kept as 11 feet. So we have to plan a staircase for this height. Make a line 11 feet in height like this. We have to leave this first 3 feet for landing purpose while descending the staircase. The general height of a step, also known as rise, varies between 6 inch to 8 inch. Any rise above 8 inch will be felt uncomfortable while climbing up. So avoid it in all circumstances. We will try first with 7 inch rise value. So the number of step calculation would look like this. 11 feet is equal to 132 inch. If we divide 132 inch by 7, then it comes out to be 18.86. This means we can build complete 18 steps with 7 inch rise value and the last 19th step will remain incomplete. So let's see how we can adjust this while making the steps. Keep in mind, the first step of a staircase should always be kept 4 inch extra in height as flooring of this floor will bury the first step if we do not provide it an extra depth. So 7 plus 4 comes out to be 11 inch. The general width, also called as tread of a step, varies between 10 inch to 1 feet. Do not go below 10 inch as majority of people will not be able to place their foot comfortably due to narrow width of steps. We will choose 1 feet as we have a large 16 feet space available for staircase arrangement. Copy the steps like this till 10 steps. It's a good design practice to keep 10 to 12 steps in a single flight. We are going to provide a landing at this point. The minimum width of landing should be kept as 3 feet. As we can see, we have perfectly 3 feet left at this end. This is the reason we chose 16 feet staircase length. 3 feet for downstairs landing, 10 feet for 10 steps, each of 1 feet, then a mid landing of 3 feet, which sums up to 16 feet. In this length, we are able to fit landing and staircase perfectly. Make the 7 inch high landing like this. Here we are going to turn and make the staircase in the opposite direction. Keep on making the steps till you reach the top level. As you can see, we fell short by 2 inches. In such case like this, when you feel short or exceed by 2 to 3 inch at the top, you shouldn't adjust the rise value for the entire staircase. Just increase the rise value for the last steps to the top. We are short by 2 inch. We will increase the rise value of these last 2 steps by 1 inch each to adjust the 2 inches. This is how professionals arrange steps of a staircase in a given confined space. The steps of this staircase will be formed on 6 inch thick RCC slab. So make the slab line like this. This is the ground floor staircase. Copy the whole staircase system to the first and second floor as well. This is how the entire staircase assembly is going to look like. I have generally seen that many of people construct a bathroom underneath the staircase. As per the Vastu Shastra, placing a bathroom under a staircase is highly discouraged. It will directly affect the mental health of the people. Placing a shoe rack under the staircase is also prohibited. You can rather make a storeroom under it, where you can store the old items of an house that are no longer in use. Coming back. Now we have one problem over the entrance of staircase at the ground floor. The entrance height that is available is only 6 feet 2 inch. We need at least 7 feet height clearance for placing the door. So before overcoming this problem, let's understand the floor height, also known as plinth height, that we keep from the road level. Coming to the ground floor plan, here is the road. The road level is marked as datum, that is 0 feet. The main parking area of the house is kept at 1 feet 6 inch above the road level. This level difference will be covered with the help of a front ramp, and the main house floor level is kept at least 3 feet from the road level, that is 1 feet 6 inch from the parking level. You might be thinking why to make floors to such heights. This is done to prevent entry of water from the road in case of a heavy rain or clogging of water in your area. You should always keep the main house floor at least 3 feet high from the road level. A pro tip here would be, especially in the area where there is an accumulation of water, you should ask the owner to tell you the depth of water that gets accumulated in rainy season. This information can be provided by the neighbors. If the accumulation of water is more than 1 feet in rainy season, you should keep the floor height 4 to 5 feet high. I am sharing this problem with you because the same happened with the IIT Jodhpur entire campus building. The designers were unaware of the waterlogging problems in that land area, and they kept the floor level to its nominal height. During the heavy rain season, the entire campus got captured under the waterlogging. Later on, to tackle this problem, they formed the catchment area around the campus and improve the overall drainage of the entire area. So as a designer, you should keep this waterlogging problem in mind and ask the owner for the same. And if it's there, then do the needful. Now let's indicate the different levels in a house. This is the floor level. Denote it with the help of text tool. 1 feet 6 inch down to this is the passage and parking level. 1 feet 6 inch below to this level is the road level of this area. From the road to the parking area, we are providing a ramp for easy entry to the house. Now from the passage area to the floor level, we have to provide a small staircase of 3 steps each of 6 inch high to rise the 1 feet 6 inch to the floor level. Now if we create a staircase at here, we will only get a 6 feet high entry to the door, which is quite insufficient. So to counteract this problem, we will start the staircase from here so that we get 1 extra feet for the door, which then becomes 7 feet 8 inch entry. Draw these 3 steps like this. Now the staircase type and the step design are finalized. We can make it in the plan. Leave this 3 feet space for landing and make 10 steps each 1 feet wide. Then make 3 feet wide landing. And make 7 steps in the opposite direction. Make these few steps lines as dashed and of grey color so that it represents that these steps are going to the first floor. As we have completed the planning and formation of staircase, we are ready to form the first and second floor in the next lecture. See you in the